Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, guys. I need to give you guys an update because something crazy happened, alright? So we were for the longest time, guys, on this 6 hour, right? In this triangle, and we finally fell through it, alright? And that does indicate that most likely we're going bearish for at least 6k, which is this bottom, or perhaps we fall even further, which is right around 5.3k. And if you know, and they will all be swings, but eventually it can bleed all the way down, guys, right? All the way down to 2.8k. That's just a possibility, guys, purely looking at the wicks, okay? Nothing else. I'm not, going to say like, it's going to go to 2.8k. It's just a possibility. So I just want you guys to be aware of where we are right now. Maybe you think like, oh no, I don't want to sell. Well, maybe you do want to get some tether or fiat, okay? And of course you don't want to do that right now, because as you can see, the RSI is very oversold on the 1 hour, on the 2 hour, on the 3 hour, on the 4 hour, on the 6 hour, on the 12 hour, and even on the daily. So of course you don't want to do that right now. But you do have to keep in mind that to get back into this triangle with this white line and then the red line, which is basically the old support, we fell through it, guys. It's gonna be very, very tough. All right, it's gonna be very, very tough to get above that. So if you can sell in between the $6,900 to $7,000 range, maybe just cash out some USDT or fiat, so you can buy back in lower. All right. Now, if you want to go all out, that's also up to you. It's all the way up to you, right? But the most stupid thing that you can do is sell when the RSI is very oversold. So yeah, this is just the confirmation that we were waiting for, right, guys? I've always said I'll either waiting for a confirmation up, for a continuation up, or what we get right now is we fall down, right? So E is down, right? So we're going down, guys, and that's just how it is. So you just have to face reality with it, okay? You cannot be living in a dream world and hope that tomorrow it's going to be 8k, okay? Is that possible? Yeah, of course it's possible, if there's some huge pump that would happen. But you know, it's it's just playing a little bit defensive if you would take some tether or fiat in these ranges, right? Because it's most likely going to test around this area once again, right? It's most likely it is going to test there, and yeah, so just go from there, guys. And but you do have to keep in mind that 7k, someone said it in the Telegram very nicely, Toby I think it was, is basically our new 10k, okay? So 7k is our new 10k. 7k is going to be a huge resistance. Why? Because we had a nice bounce from it. So if we actually fall through that, so we had this nice bounce, right? The 10% bounce. Us falling through that is bad. Another thing is this triangle, guys, it started back in February, all right, and it lasted until today, June, all right, 10th of June. Well, guys, that is 4 months of basically so the 6th, right, the 6th of February, the 10th of June. So yeah, it's 4 months, guys, of basically just consolidating within this triangle. So if we popped out of here, it would have been very bullish, right? I can obviously get rid of this now, but we didn't. Do I have anything else? No, we didn't, guys. So we popped down, so it's also going to be very strong on the downside. That's just what I think, right? I'm just telling you what I think based on like this, you know, we've been in here so long, so now it has the strength to go down pretty far. Obviously there will be bounces and RSI needs to reset, and with that resetting we'll probably get back up to around the 69 to 7k area, where you will be able to get some tether or fiat, alright? And then, like I said, guys, we're just gonna put some lines on the chart right now. So bear with me. We'll take this tool. This tool is like the magnetic tool, so it snaps. So we're gonna snap one here. That's at 5300. We'll snap one right here at 5k. Oh, I don't know why it didn't snap there. Right around 5k. And then we have one here as well at 2.8k. And I know we don't want to hear any of that, but it's just it's the truth, guys. All right, it's possible. And so you thinking like, oh, I don't want to sell, let's say at like 6900, but what if, I mean, even if we only go down to 53, okay, that is 23% lower. You can buy 23% more of what you sell. That's pretty good. If it goes down to 5k, then you can buy 27% more. And if we go down to 2.8, well, you know, you can buy 59% more. So think about that, guys. That's a whole lot more, right? So yeah, just keep that in mind, right? Don't just neglect that. It was a very strong support, so facing reality just tells me that we can pop back up here, but then we'll get rejected. All right, so that is what I'm seeing right now, and it's not the most rosy thing to see, I know. Yeah, that is pretty much what's going on, guys. That is my update on Bitcoin. I cannot make it better than it, you know, it is just pretty bad. Right? It's pretty bad that we dropped out of this triangle and that we're going down like this. And this can be a slow grind or can be a fast fall. I think it will be more of a slow grind, because especially because the RSI is already this low, so we'll go up again and down. It will just slowly grind down there, but that's still, so guys, it's harder to, it's definitely not easy to make money in a bear market, but it is possible. You can also short, you can short on BitMax, you can short on Huobi, on Bitfinex, Kraken. There's several websites, exchanges where you can go short. Okay, so just think about that, guys. All right, so you can go short as well. That's just another opportunity. All right, that's there. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, guys, like I said, we're very oversold, even on the 6 hour. Look at this, guys, 19. I mean, disgusting. All right, disgusting. So I just hope that we'll get this bounce, and then from there, obviously I can only hope on that, right? That's all I can do. Could it drop further? Yeah, but is it likely? No, because RSI is already so much down. So I kind of just expect a bounce up here, and then we'll go back further down. All right. And when does it stop? Well, that's what these lines are for, right? And we'll actually have to put up another line, guys, and that's right here already, right? I don't know what's up with that. There we go. So there we go, right? That's another line, guys, around 6k. But even if it's around 6k, from, let's say, the 6900 once again, guys, that is 13%, okay? That's still pretty significant. Even if it would just drop right now, that's still 10% lower. So just think about that, guys. All right. It is, I cannot call it bullish anymore, right? I'm bearish now, officially bearish, because we dropped out of the symmetrical triangle, and that's just how it goes. All right. So I cannot be bullish. You know, it is what it is, guys. But we'll have to live with it. So yeah, I hope you guys have your plan ready as well, and yeah, we'll talk in the next video. All right. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPy's block, where you can ask me any questions, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? Everyone's been actually pretty calm. All right, no one's really been panicking. I like that, guys. If you have been panicking and message me, PM me, that's fine. You know, I just tell you what's up. Like basically nothing much, guys. You know, we dropped out of the triangle, and since the RSI is so low, and if you didn't sell any, then you need to wait for some kind of bounce. Because what if you would sell right now and you get a bounce? You would feel pretty shitty that you didn't sell in the bounce. So either you sold as soon as it dropped, or you wait for this bounce, right? Often, guys, there's a bounce after you fall from a resistance. I mean, what I'm saying, a support. You go back, right, and you go test it. So yeah, that's what happens normally. All right, guys. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs, and even though we're bearish, guys, I will still post ICOs to whitelist for, so you guys can check them out as well, and whether you want to go in or not. All right, the ICOs that we did go into in the last month or so, for example, maybe you signed up for some ICOs, maybe not. If you're lucky, guys, the price was pegged higher, right? Let's say the price Ethereum was pegged at 660 or 700, whatever. Then you're more easily up in USD value when it hits exchanges, because the Ethereum will most likely still be around the same, as in you will get more Ethereum for your investment, all right, and also more USD. So it's easier to get a nice return if the market was up when you went in the ICO and it's down now, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.